Yeah, good afternoon to the respected peer team of the autonomous and the esteemed colleagues of the City College. Uh, Now I'm going to present my departmental profile uh, in before you. So my department is the Department of Public Administration and Office Management. So the profile of the department is and the department first was established in the year of 1967, and then gradually the first initial uh, started by the Masudan Rao, public administration, and then he was appointed later the regular faculty by the government of Andhra Pradesh. And the courses offered by the Department of Public Administration with this combination. So first EPP was the uh, introduced in the academic year 1973, and then the another course was added within restructure mode in the year of 1999. So with the Telugu medium, with the combination of uh, public administration with EPP, HPP, EHPA, computer application and office management. And the next point is the courses offered by the department. One conventional course, and the another one is the restructure course. Uh, and then the vision of the department is the transferring of department into a center of excellence, ensuring quality, access, equity, and values. And also the department overall goal is to update students' knowledge, administrative skills, and practices. And the mission of the department is education for empowerment, acquiring commanding heights in the field of innovation, knowledge, dissemination cutting, edge research competency building, and extension activity with a holistic approach for social needs like e-governance, encouraging the highest standards of profession and service to the public, enhancing the understanding, expanding and exchanging knowledge, advocating the highest values ideals of the administrative process. And the objective of the department is to understand the nature and scope of public administration in modern state. The second one, to understand the various ways in which the public administration can be studied and explain why there exists a different approaches to its study. To enrich the syllabi as for the latest developments in the subject, aim at the balancing the theoretical and practical aspects of the discipline, to promote research in the field of public administration that can guide policymakers for effective planning, to train the students for the various competitive examinations at national and states level. So I enclose in the list of previous faculties. The first the department was started with the Madhusudan Rao in the year of 1970 to the 1986, and the VLNS Sharma, the former JD of the uh, Commissionerate of College Education, and the famous person, the famous academicians like Sunita Padmavati, madam, she is now principals for the Hussain Alam Government Degree College. Uh, these are the academicians, and now the presently I am working myself is Dr. A. Shankar Kumar, Assistant Professor of Public Administration with the experience of 16 years. And my research profile is a little bit added for this purpose. Presented 10 papers in various national and other conferences. Recently nominated member as BOS in Department of Public Administration, Usmania University. Completed one MRP sponsored by UGC with 2,05,000 and submitted. Organized 2 national seminar and 2 state seminar and other workshop. One is the state's reorganization and challenges of reconstruction of Telangana state. And the second one is the reorganization of districts in Telangana state. So the workshops and others are organized. And the nominated as the members in BOEs, 5 autonomous college in Telangana state. Take example, one is the GDC Human Begumpet and GDC Siddipet, GDC Tara College, and the MBS and City College. Oh, this is the meeting was held recently by the Dr. B. Amarinder Reddy, is the BOS chairperson of the Usmania University. These are the teaching learning tools we are adapting. One is the PPT, field visits, study projects, assignments, charts, quiz, group discussion, field visits, debates, digital classrooms, remedial coaching for slow learners. And these are the teaching methods, innovative, creative thinking and problem solving, conducting a group discussion via various social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, and the student seminars we are regularly conducting, and arranging extension and guest lectures via various digital platforms, Zoom, Google Classroom, and Google Meet. Student study projects especially for the final years, and regularly we are conducting quiz competitions on the day of National Voters Day and the Kargil War Days, and maintaining a YouTube channel with the department, and the recorded videos are attached to the YouTube channel. These are the best practice we are following the departments every year on the eve of National Voters Day celebration. Our faculty members, students, organizers a rally to make awareness among the young voters. Collection of subject-related articles from editorial pages of daily papers. Student practices in different programs organized by NSS, NCC, etc. Departmental activities, extension lectures, guest lecturers, field trips, student classroom seminars, essay writing, and quiz competitions. The other activities, one of the career guidance, competitive exams coachings for the PG entrance, and the other levels of the Group 1, Group 2, TS, PSC. Maintaining our departmental library, we have a 50 books with the, and we are have a lot of study material in the PDF form. So during the COVID period, we maintain with the soft copies, and the students who will put in the WhatsApp, they will we will send the material within the seconds. The majority of students will participate in NSS and NCC activities. Many of our alumni became the government servants in different departments. So result analysis, these are the uh, 73 years, 17, 18, 18 to 19, 19 to 20. So 64 students appeared and 48, and the result percentage 75. 48, 38 appeared and it's 79%. 73 and 68, 93.15%. So the recently the result analysis, now the result is nearly above the class of 90%. These are the student strength particulars. So one is the public administration and the second one is the office management. So first year students total 63, and the second year students 42, and the final year students 150. Uh, and the office management students, there is no students for the first year. Uh, the government has taken a decision to cancel the courses. So those subjects are less opted by the students. So second year the 42 and the final year is 50, 48. So now the strength of the total department is 349. These are the details of the students group projects were conducted. So we are sampling mentioning here. So the autobiography of Swami Vivekananda, impacts on the society, and she's the leader for the JP Lingayya and team, Ravindra and team, Rajshekar and team, and Karunakar and team. So crime against women initiatives taken by the governments. Second one is the Niti Aayog. These are the students' projects, and we are mentioning the social status of the students 2018 and 19. So the most of the students, those who opt in the public administration, in the BA courses, nearly 80 to 70% students from the BC, SC, ST categories. These are the achievements of the students. Nagaraju, the second BA, is the games and sports selected in the first prize in the district athletics association conducted. All India Thai champion, and the Siva Kumar got the first prize in the state level competitions. Satvika in the NCC, and the another achievements of the students. 15, 16, the Rajshekhar BA EPP achieved a gold medal, highest marks in political science, and the Gayatri achieved state level in karate competition at indoor. The Praveen Kumar Games and Sports second place in Taekwondo in Ivataranga. Uh, so in February, the Department of Public Administration organized with a national webinar with this resource person of the Professor Limbadri, Vice Chairman of the Telangana State Council of Higher Education, and the Deputy Director of the Regional Center for Urban and Environmental Studies, Dr. B. Amarinder Reddy Garu, and the main resource person, Dr. P. Mohan Rao Garu, reader and columnist. So the mostly 280 teachers and students are attended for this seminar under the chairperson of the Sri Vijay Lakshmi. And recently I organized the one webinar on the personal governance and role of UPSC. So Dr. G. Srinu, Assistant Professor, Department of Public Administration and Public Studies, Center University of Kerala, Kasaragod. So nearly 900 students and the faculties were attended for the webinar. So in 2020, the extension lecture was organized by the Department of Public Administration. The resource person is the Dr. G. Narsimlu, and the topic is the center and state relations, and a little bit contribution to the my side, the donation of learning material to the students for the first years, and the field visits in the part of, so they visited the students with the Mandal office, so the Maheshwaram, the Rangareddy Jilla, the Rangareddy district, and they visited assembly live sessions with all the BA groups. These are the Harita program, Harita Haram. The Telangana government has taken a good initiatives to strengthen the forest. So clean and green, and the green Telangana. So under the green challenges, we participated in the Harita Haram program. And this is the direction of the principal, sir. We conducted the online parent teaching parent teacher meeting through the Zoom app, and this is the orientation class for the BA first year students by the presided by the our principal, sir, the Dr. P. Balabhaskar Garu. This is also field trip for the students, hand-to-hand training, field visits for the first-hand information in the Tahsildar office in the Maheshwar Mandal. So these are the photos are captured from the register, the student seminars, student classroom seminars, and the group discussions. These are the students conducted the various discussions in the part of the essay writing competition. So this is the orientation class for the newcomers. So the first join the classes of the first year students. So I participated in the webinar which was conducted by the Government City College for the autonomy purpose. So these are the 3 extension lecture was organized. Extension lecture on 10/3/2021 on social justice approach by Dr. B. Ambedkar and Pule by G. Ravi Kumar, Assistant Professor, GDC Kukatpalli. The another extension lecturer by the administrative reforms by Mallika, assistant professor, BJR Government Degree College, Hyderabad. Extension lecturer and e-governance by Dr. G. Narsimlu, assistant professor, GDC Women Begumpet. So now the future plan of the department, already we have a plan to certificate course on Indian Constitution and Administration, Good Governance and Office Management for BSc and BCom students. Proposal for PG course in Governance and Public Policy with the coordination of Political Science. A national webinar Understanding and Social Sciences with eminent academicians. It is scheduled on 7/8/2021. Now the department also take a decision to develop e-content and MOOCs course in the public administration. And also the another plan is the to already discussions are over and we are ready to get a MOU with the Regional Center for Urban and Environmental Studies. So these are the informations, whatever I expose and before you, exhibited before you. Thank you very much.